Welcome to KidZone! Today, we're learning about 10 shapes with our rabbit friends. Let's dive in and have 10 fun. Shapes. Triangle, circle, square, rectangle, star, heart, oval, hello, hexagon. I'm Bunny, and this triangle looks like a triangle cone, birthday cap, and mountain. Look at these cute bunnies. They're forming a triangle. A triangle has 3 straight sides. Look at these cute bunnies. They're forming a circle. A circle is perfectly round. Now we can learn this circle. Looks like a sun, ball, and pizza. See the round curve? Look at these cute bunnies. They're forming an oval. An oval is like a stretched Now we can learn this oval looks like an egg, watermelon, and pineapple. See, look at these cute bunnies. They're forming a square. A square has 4 equal sides. Now we can learn this square looks like a window, breed, and dice. See the full sides? Fun examples. Look at these cute bunnies. They're forming a rectangle. It has 4 sides, 2 long ends. Now we can learn this rectangle looks like a bag, door, and television. Now we see the long and this star looks like a star, starfish, and star fruit. See the pointy tips? Look at these cute bunnies. They're forming a star. A star has 5 pointy tips. Now we can learn this heart. Looks like a strawberry, leaf, and candy. Look at these cute bunnies. They're forming a heart. A heart has curvy sides and a point. Look at these cute bunnies. They're forming a hexagon. A hexagon has 6 straight sides. Now we can learn this hexagon looks like a honeycomb, snowflake, and metal nut. Now we can learn this octagon looks like a spider web, stop sign, and octagon shape. Look at these cute bunnies. They're forming an octagon. An octagon has 8 straight sides. Look at these cute bunnies. They're forming a cube. A cube has 6 square sides. Great job! Now can learn this cube looks like a Rubik's Cube, ice cube, and gift box. Thanks for joining us in KidZone. Don't forget to check the channel description for a surprise giveaway in the PDF.